Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 8 hours have been a little shaky as Bitcoin is struggling to stay over the support of 98,000 and in a single hour got liquidated and pushed all the way down to 94,000. There was a lot of panic, but it was able to recover as a lot of limit orders must have been triggered. If we talk about Dogecoin, it's still holding strong close to 43.5 cents, and the trading volume even for Bitcoin is doing some wonders. 130 billion is still being held strong, while Dogecoin is still in favor to make sure that it's above Solana and BNB combined. On the other end, a bunch of over leveraged long Bitcoin positions were wiped. Now it is time to clear the shorts and push the price up. Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Bull flag suggests Doge $1 rally is going to happen. Elon Musk asked if he wants Democrats involved in Doge, and he simply responded by saying yes. And Gary, before leaving, he is going aggressive on crypto crackdown, and one of the things that he is doing is rejecting the spot Solana ETF and pausing the crypto ETF approvals. Now there is a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, you want the latest and the greatest news first, want to stay up to date with it, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just up to YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to crypto, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash in the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, I want to show you guys the way that Bitcoin reacted just in the past 8 hours. This is very concerning, and let me tell you one thing. In a sense, you can say that this was actually a profitable solution for what was happening, because there was a lot of people that were heavily leverage trading. And let me tell you what I mean by leverage trading is they were extremely high risk plays. And you can see that in a single hour we went from 99,000 Bitcoin all the way down to 90,000. So therefore you know that there was a lot of people that lost a lot of money, and a lot of money is not the best way to describe it, but if I have to describe it in one word, I can say that this would have been a really game-changing point for a lot of people's career, as this could have, you know, got a lot of people to lose insane amount of money. And it's not even, just to give you perspective, 60 minutes, $450 million were liquidated in the crypto market. Now that's insane. And just to give you perspective, that's in less than 60 minutes. It's happened before, but not in such a short period of time. And it's very clear it's due to the amount of leverage plays that people were doing. If we talk about Dogecoin on the other end, the open interest is still sitting at 3.3 billion, and the long to the short ratio, the longs are still climbing nearly at 77%. Why is this a little concerning right now? It's due to the fact if there is a really strong pullback, a lot of people can get liquidated, and therefore it's going to push down the market even further. And that's exactly what happened with Bitcoin. If we go into the 30-minute chart, even the 1-minute chart, that's the best way to see it. You can see it was just in 3 minutes that the market was able to climb down so quickly. And the only reason it was able to climb back up so quickly is due to the fact there was a lot of people that were actually holding on and making sure that their limit orders are going to be triggered. We did find the support close to 90,600. That's an insane amount of liquidation, and that's one of the scary things when it comes to doing a leverage play. On Dogecoin's chart, you can see it also had a little bit of a pullback, but not as big as what we noticed with Bitcoin, but it's definitely holding on to its price really well, while Bitcoin is struggling to stay close to the support of 98,000. What does this mean in the long term for Dogecoin? Well, the simple answer is this. Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Bull flag suggests Doge $1 rally is going to happen. And Doge versus Bitcoin breakout signals a bullish momentum. The money flow index at 70 suggests an increased buying pressure for potential for Dogecoin to hit $1. There is definitely a more buying pressure ever since Bitcoin has hit 100K, as people are expecting Doge to keep up and actually make it to its all-time high as well. I do think that Doge is definitely slacking behind, seeing the fact it has more trading volume than Solana. It definitely does deserve to be somewhere in the middle here, which could put the market cap close to 100 billion. And if that does happen, the price will climb to about 60 cents, which is quite impressive. Now, Elon Musk and fellow business titan Vivek on Capitol Hill Thursday meeting with lawmakers about Donald Trump's Department of Government Efficiency, its mission to pretty much get the government in a little bit of control. And let me tell you, when they talked about if they want to work with the Democrats, they did say yes, which is an interesting take. Now Gary, he's doing some crazy things in the background before he takes a leave in January. Now you guys know it's confirmed that he is going to be replaced, and it's going to be replaced by a pro crypto person. So he knows in the future there's going to be a lot of things which are going to be supporting crypto when it comes to SEC. Well, Gary quietly sets an aggressive crypto crackdown in motion before leaving, warns the former SEC official is a last-minute push to cement aggressive crypto enforcement, with secret promotions signaling a looming regulatory crackdown despite the leadership change. Now, if he does get this in motion before the next person comes into play, this could have a huge impact. Will it be negative or positive? We will have to wait and see, because the new one will make the decision. And what has he done? Well, in simple terms, he signals that he will be rejecting the Solana ETF and pausing the new crypto ETF approvals from taking place. This could be huge because the amount of uncertainties that it will put in the market, there is definitely going to be a lot of strong result on the crypto market, and especially the price. On the other end, the Dogecoin market is in the bullish thesis. Now, we talked about this before, but I just wanted to give you guys perspective how early we still are for the Dogecoin market. There's definitely so much room for Doge to still go up and maybe make it to its all-time high and $1 in less than, before the end of this year. That's probably the best word to use. And President-elect Trump says his new crypto Caesar David will work on the legal framework so crypto industry has the clarity it has been asking for. Now, it's really interesting because he's getting someone called David, who is already really interesting person. He is the CEO of Yammer. Now, if you guys do not know, he is been a really interesting person in the past because he loves crypto. And is that exactly what our boy Trump has been trying to do with the whole government? The same thing is following over here. And another thing is Elon Musk and Vivek discussed the Doge plans. This is all over the news, and you will get to see this more often in the future. So that's why you need to be a little bit ready how this is going to impact the Dogecoin. And Putin confirms digital ruble integration in Russia's federal budget. That's another big deal because he talked about how Bitcoin cannot be replaced and blockchain is going to take over, and they're going to be having a ruble integration or digital ruble. Big deal. So there is a lot of good things happening. There is a little bit scary things happening. You just need to be ready, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.